One more thing before we get to the demo is inheritance. So just like a lot of programming languages, one class can inherit or be a descendant of another class. So the subclass, or the child class, will automatically inherit all of its parent class's methods and all of its variables. And the easy way to override any of this parent class's methods is you just redefine the method in your code and it will override that method. And the other important thing to know is that all Objective-C classes will inherit from Nsobject. So that's the base class on which everything else is designed. And the type ID is the same as Nsobject. So you'll see things called ID in the code, and that just means it's some type of Nsobject. So let's actually look at the code and build ourselves a class. Okay, so let's create ourselves a class. I'm going to open Xcode, make a new project. Single view application, I'm just going to call it sample classes. And this time I'll use storyboards. Save it to the desktop. Okay, and let's dive right in and make ourselves a new class. So I'm going to go to File, New. Make a new file. And here we get to choose a template for our new file. We're going to go to Cocoa Touch. And we're going to choose Objective-C class. Go to Next, and you can see our namespace here is AD, that stands for App Dev. And I'm going to call the class my class because I'm not very unique. Click Next and create the class. And here it created it in the folder structure. I'm just going to put it inside this folder. Keep things organized. And let's look at the header file of the class to start with. So as you can tell, there's no namespace. There is an import method here. So what this is doing is it's importing the foundation framework. And you need two frameworks in Objective-C classes to start with, especially if you're using UIKit. You need the foundation class, and then you need the UIKit Cocoa class. Now if we go into supporting files here, and we look at our our prefix file, you'll see that Xcode is automatically going to import UIKit and Foundation whenever it sees an Objective-C file.